Welcome, welcome to Rio Estate Agencies where luxury finds its home. What is your business about? At Rio Estate, we specialize in premium real estate services. We help discerning clients buy, sell, and invest in upscale properties. Our mission is to make the process seamless, transparent, and tailored to your lifestyle. Who is your target market? Our ideal clients are high net worth individuals, professionals, and investors who value quality, exclusivity, and comprehensive services when dealing with luxury properties. They seek an advisor, not just a broker. What AI tool did you use in crafting this website? In our marketing assets? We leverage an AI-powered design assistant, for example, Lovable AI for copywriting, plus an AI designing tool like Adobe Firefly or Midjourney for visuals to ensure we deliver sleek look and compelling messaging. What design choices did you make? We opted for a clean minimalist layout with high resolution, hero imaginary of scale properties to immediately invoke luxury. The color palette is neutral and sophisticated. Soft grays, charcoals, touches of gold to reinforce a premium feel. Typography, a modern sans serif for readability plus a subtle serif accent for elegance. Navigation was kept simple and intuitive so visitors find our services, listings, and contact info quickly on mobile and desktop. The experience is responsive and smooth, prioritizing visual impact first and information second. What makes what makes your website effective? From the moment you land at the homepage, the hero image, mood, the messaging speaks directly to our target market, luxury minded, quality oriented, and identifies their needs. Clear call to action, the buttons, exploring listing, schedule and consultation, guide visitors towards meaningful engagement. The design supports trust and credibility essentials in real estate. Behind the scenes, we ensure fast load times and mobile-friendly responsiveness so no potential clients gets frustrated or drops off.